Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I have another plant unboxing video for you, and this is a plant that is very hard to get hold of. I think it's the one that I've been waiting for, and if it is, I just can't wait to open this package. So we just got to get going with this. Right, the way it's packed is a square box and then what looks like it is in a pot at the bottom. So I just want to get in at the bottom as quick as possible, and the top, snip, snip, snip. Because I've just got to get this plant out of here. Right. Oh. Now, the person who sold me this plant has written me a lovely little message here in Swedish, and it says, this is the beautiful, I'm not going to say what it is until I've opened it, but the rest of the message says, thank you very much for buying this beautiful plant and good luck. Oh, that's really, really nice. So, chop off the rest of this and see who is hiding inside. Oh, packed in quite a funny manner, I must say. But anyway, let's get this opened. I don't want to damage anything, so lay it down again for a minute and then chop off the rest of this so we can open it. Oh, right. Oh, everything is kind of stuck together and there's lots of paper here. Oh, there's lots of padding. There's lots of everything. But how we get this plant off the box, can I just unravel this and can I just get it out that way? Okay. Right. I think I've got it now. Get rid of this box. That box is a nightmare. Get rid of the box and then let's have a little look what we've got going on in here. Oh my, this is huge, but I wasn't expecting it to be that big. This leaf is huge. Oh wow, wow, get all this off. Oh my dear, dear happiness. This is amazing. I am so happy. Look at this leaf compared to my head. It's huge. I didn't think that this would be this big and beautiful. And it's made it through the post, no problems whatsoever. It's absolutely beautiful. Look close. Can you see what I am holding? And look at the stem. That's the stem. The stem is more green on this. And burgundy, green and burgundy. So that's good. It's two-toned in the stem. Variegated in a way. Look, it's like a little umbrella. It's literally like a little umbrella. Oh, I can hide behind the whole leaf. That is beautiful. I need to compose myself. I have been waiting for this plant for some time. This is one of those plants that is really hard to get hold of. This is one of those plants that can be really, really expensive to buy if you can just find a leaf cutting like this online, because in the shops, you won't find it. This is the Philodendron pedatum variety Florida Ghost. Florida Ghost, people. I've got myself a Florida Ghost. This is beautiful. That leaf is enormous. And the thing with this plant is that when the new leaves come out, they come out white. Near enough white. Creamy white. And then they get a darker, limey green before they turn this lovely green colour as they mature into a larger leaf. So throughout the plants, you get this effect of 2 or 3 tones of green and whitey creamy going on in one go. So I have another Philodendron pedatum, and that has dark burgundy stems and beautiful leaves, but they're much smaller than this. They're a smaller leaf variety. This one has much greener stems with burgundy going through it, but the size of the leaves, and knowing that when the new leaves come out, they're going to be creamy white, going on to lime, and then turning into these gigantic leaves. I am so thankful I found this online. I am so thankful. Now, I have this one, so now I have to get the next one to add to the family, and that is going to be the Philodendron Florida Beauty, which is the variegated type. So I'm looking forward to finding me one of those, but for now, I am going to enjoy my beautiful Philodendron pedatum Florida Ghost. Oh, and I thought this was this plant, so I am just going to go ahead and pot this plant up and put a totem behind it, ready to race up. This plant is going to be allowed to grow up to my ceiling. I want to see as much of this plant as possible. Right? So, let me get the pot so we can plant this plant up straight away. So basically, I kind of knew that this was going to be this plant. When I saw the picture, she said, the woman that sold me this plant, that the leaf is big, and it is big. I mean, I really wasn't expecting it to be enormous. It is enormous. I am so happy. So anyway, I've got a pot already. I've already put some soil in it. It is a good potting mix with lots of perlite and lots of tree bark chunks all mixed in together. So it's a nice, light, airy mixture with organic materials, and this plant is just going to love this, and it's just going to take off. So there's some soil already in here, and then I have extra by the side to add to the mix. So I just want to get this out so I can see how it looks under the paper here. Hold the stem because I just don't want to drop it. And look at this. Oh, look at this. It's a nice little bundle at the bottom here with soil. A little bit of tape. Undo that. It's so ready for me to just pot straight into this pot. Now, I'm going to show you closer up the beautiful roots that are going on this plant. Look at those. It's just perfect. This has been potted on so well that it's got lovely roots, a huge amount of roots on this stem. So that is just ready to go in this pot straight away. Couldn't be better. So, I think I can put a little bit more soil in before I plant. Get the level right. Seems like that is the level. But before I do that, I want to put her totem in. She's nearly as tall as this already. Put that in the middle. Because as she grows up and gets more leaves and gets more stem, I will make more cuttings, and I will be able to put the cuttings around the totem and thicken up the plant so I get an even and wonderful layer of the creamy white, lime green and dark green leaves in different stages of their development, which characterizes this beautiful Philodendron pedatum Florida Ghost. Now I can just put her in front, right up by this totem, and start planting her. Straight away with this beautiful and good soil. Now she's supported by the soil, I'm just going to go ahead and tie her to the stake because I don't want her to all of a sudden fall over or anything like that. So I'll do it near the top so it will be hidden underneath the leaf. Not too tight, so she has room to expand, but she won't fall over. Just like that. That is absolutely perfect. Right, now she's up in place. Now, I can carry on with putting soil around the edge of this pot. So, I think that is enough of the soil. Now, I just want to put plain wood chips or wood bark around the top to cover it all up, to be able to keep the moisture in and so that it looks nice and pretty. And it gives the plant a lot of nutrients to grow out. There she is, looking good, looking pretty, looking so pretty. Oh gosh, I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about this. And the one thing about these plants is they might be rare to go out and buy, but when you've got yourself one, you've basically struck gold, because this plant grows. When it starts growing, it grows prolifically. It will not stop growing and it will grow fast. My other Philodendron pedatum, I bought at, I'm looking at it now, it was about 1.40 meters. Since I've had it, which is now 6 weeks, it has grown a whole meter. It is literally 10 centimeters away from hitting the roof in our room here, which is nearly 3 meters high. So I'm so pleased with that. So I'm expecting this baby in exactly the same family to do the same. So beautiful. And when I find myself some lovely quartz crystals to lay around the top here, I'm going to do that as well, because I think she is going to be my little princess for a while. And I want her to do really well. So she definitely needs to have some quartz crystals around the bottom to help with her energy, positive energy, as she grows. In fact, I'm going to go and try and find me some straight away. Oh, this plant already just looks beautiful. Just looks beautiful. I'm so excited. And I already went and got me a load of milky quartz crystal that I found when I've been out walking in nature myself. Beautiful pieces. They are going to be going round in the pot, in the top of the pot, to give her beautiful positive energy, as well as my positive energy I'm giving her, so that she becomes beautiful and, well, just looks wonderful. So, put those around the edge, because this plant to me is just amazing, amazing. And I'm so thankful that I found me an example there. So, now she is all ready. She is going to be standing up behind the humidifier here in the indoor terrace garden. And that's why I'm not going to be putting her into a white porcelain bowl. She doesn't need to, because she's going to be behind the white humidifier and you won't be seeing the pot at all. So until such day that I should have to repot her, then she will be staying there like that with these beautiful crystals for energy, this beautiful totem. And if she gets long stems like this, she's going to need another one of these or two in no time, I'm telling you. And those leaves are just going to fill out the wall there. Oh, I can't wait till next summer now when she really starts flushing out more. She might even start flushing out straight away all winter, because I have grow lights in here and all sorts of stuff. She will be fertilized after a little bit of time. and carry on this beautiful process of making these beautiful leaves. But now I am ready to give you a good old close-up of this wonderful, wonderful plant. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, once again. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded. And I will see you in another video very soon with other beautiful, much rarer and harder to find plants. Goodbye.